Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see very simple scratch built RC plane. So this is very simple plane. For this plane, I am using thermacoal. It is a medium density thermacoal, and you can see here. This is the fuselage part. So this is the center of the fuselage. So it will be coming like this, and this will be coming like this. Everything will be glued together so that fuse will be ready. Okay. So these three parts are for fuselage, and here you can see this is the wing part. So wing is like a 120 centimeters. So this is the bottom of the wing, and yeah, this plane wing will have KFM2 airfoil. That means bottom of the wing will be like this. On the top, another piece of foam will come. So this is actually KFM2 airfoil wing. Okay, so I'm making this to keep the wing shape simple. Okay, so this is the fuselage part, and this is the horizontal stabilizer, and this is the vertical stabilizer. So everything I'm making with medium density. I think it's a medium density thermocol. So making this plane is very simple. First, what I will do, I will make the fuse part. So I will attach this portion and here, and this will be the center. So just everything need to glue it together like this. So plan will be there in the description, you can download. Okay, so first what I will do, I will make the fuse part. So this and this I will glue together like this. Okay, then once this fuse is ready, we will work with a horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer. After that, we'll make the wing. So assembly of this plane is very simple. So you can see how I'm doing. Okay, every step I'll explain what I've done. Okay, so let's start making this wing. Okay. So now fuselage part is ready. So you can see here this fuselage is ready. So yeah, so fuselage is ready. So in the tail portion, so you need to cut it. So I leave this in the plan so you can follow according to the plan. Cut it. So here what you need to do is this is the horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer. You can see it's already beveled and up. So you will place the horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer like this, glue it, then this whole thing you will send it into this slot. Okay, you will send it to this slot. Okay, so I will do this, then I'll be back. Okay, so it's very simple one. So you just glue this one on top of this, then put it in this slot. Okay, so I'll do this, then I'll be back.